is a mixed task along with the system options. Okay, so given write a SAS program that reads the data set means we need to give a set statement here, first thing. Okay, and selects only the observation where the value of the variable age is greater than 30. So we will use where option, where, okay, open parenthesis, age greater than 30 in the set statement only. Okay, so next print the resulting data set with a title we need to give as a employees over 30 and a footnote confidential information. Okay, and sets the line size to 90 and page size to 66. Okay, so we need to give line size and page size options. These are the system options, and this title footnote are the proc step options, right? And here display the current settings of all system options. Okay, we need to display the current settings of all system options. First we'll talk about this one. Reads the data set and selects only the observations where the value of the variable age is greater than 30. So you can see here first I'll create a old data set here. This is my old data set. Old is my data set name, right? And I'm giving input ID, age, and these are cards. Yes, 3 observations I have given, then semicolon, run semicolon, proc print data is equals to, this is my old data set, that data set only I'm giving here, data set name. And after that I'm creating a new data set with a set statement. Okay, so first question is nothing but to select the observation whose age is greater than 30. So for that old existing data set is, my existing data set is nothing but the old, right? So I'm writing here set to old. Okay, where is equals to age greater than 30. I'm opening 2 parentheses and closing 2 parentheses. Okay, totally in where option we'll use 2 parentheses. And after that I'll write proc print data. My new data set name is new, right? And I'm giving title footnote. This is the question second. Yes, you can see here. Task 2 is nothing but print the resulting data set with the title employees over 30. Okay, and footnote as a confidential information. So I have given the title as employees over 30. So you can give single quotes or double quotes, no problem with that. But label option, you need to remember that only single quotes you have to give for label option. That is must and should. And here footnote I have given this confidential information for footnote. So first, second question is done. Next is what? Third question sets the line size to 90 and page size to 66. So system options we need to give, right? So system options, where we will do, there we will write above the data step, right? So this options, line size, ls you need to give. What you need to give? Ls, and page size ps. Okay, don't write page size, line size. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then options all, why I am using, see that question, read this question carefully. Display the current settings of all systems options. So for that purpose I am giving options all. Clear? So first I'll run this data step. So you can see ID, age, and yes, 2 variables and 3 observations we can see clearly. After that I am running this new data set. Okay, you can see here my title as an employee over 30. Okay, and footnote as a confidential information. Clear? Title footnote is displayed here. Okay, and options all work for all the default options. We can able to see the all the options available, default options we can able to see here, right? So options all work for the to print all the default options. Clear? So I am working hard to create high quality, easy to understand videos on all SaaS topics, and these videos are available to you for free. So if you find my videos are helpful, okay, so please subscribe and support me. That makes a big difference, okay? And hit the notification bell to stay updated and learn more.